Sor Kapatisi TV. Ka undi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Lieutenant Governor John Jammu and Kashmir Ngut Shah plus no kam John Kishis pa Ngut Pulit John Fire and Emergency Service Department hadin bagakin hun tokit kalap bala pendrung kam yaki lingba ke Lynti ke Bamday kidi bra yo rung kam house nam arjar arpau dalap bagajing pendrung yaki kalong daga basulia thok bat kini kadi ke jingle bian house nam arjar arpuar kalapau perthei ke jing pendrung kam to Jammu and Kashmir hag baga sarkar ka habban thau kin hun tokit blakli to additions chief secretary home URK Goyal hag baga kin hun tokit kalalap bagadan ke jingle to bashirkhei hag thongkam thongjam kumtara pinsange no ekajing thongkam hakatnat police finance department bat hakikam junior engineer Goyal menta ubat kumu chief information commissioner of India yakajing le tu banthong kam hakatrat fire and emergency service la IT bantokit benya dega Jammu and Kashmir anti corruption bureau katba hakite kiwe lightly kitnat pan la IT bantokit benya dega Central Bureau of Investigation la dega CBI hakajing sedang jonggajing tokit lalap baga Jammu and Kashmir Service Selection Board kala IT hakoi ke company ban penya yake exam thongkam dega company kalale thok yek result ki samlawat kam daga bapendam ki mark jong beri hok ban yo bat alap baga deiru ke company kabla dep Shah blacklist hakiwe pat ki jella